Hello, I'm Jerry Fort, the beer review guy, and I got like a special beer. It's not a big beer. It's just well, actually, it is a big beer. It's a 25 flow ounces, so this thing's huge. It's a big can. This is a special review. This is my number 50, my 50th video, and it's gonna make this kind of special. It's a sentimental video. This Hurricane right here, Hurricane Category 5 malt liquor. It's a 3.2%. I bought it in the grocery store. I have not seen yet a liquor store that carries these. Otherwise, maybe I could find a 6 point at least. But this is just a 3.2. And but anyway, the reason why this is a sentimental review is the first time I had this was with my younger brother, which we lost him to a car accident like 3 years ago. So that was the first time I had this, was with him. So gonna just kind of make this like a little dedication type video. So I haven't had this since when I drank this with him. It was like a 1997, something like that, maybe 98. So it's been a long time since I've had one of these, but when him and I was together, and we'd always go like in a store or something, we saw this, we'd always say, "Hey man, remember that?" You know. But, so I can't hardly remember what this tastes like. But let's see. I found this glass in an apartment the other day that was left behind. Thought it was kind of cool. It says the Oasis Lake Travis. So it's kind of a big glass for a big beer. So let's see what this thing is like. Jog my memory. Alright. It's a pretty light orange, maybe light yellow. Not really golden. If it is golden, it's very light golden, but it's pretty. Carbonated. The head right now is kind of a foamy white head. Bubbles they're going away like really fast. Yeah, it's pretty in a glass. But the head right now is like half a finger of head. It's got that. Like a lot of these beers, it's malty, light skunky. A little dankness. Maybe light wheat, maybe. Alright. Let's try it. I don't know. Light malty. It's a good flavored beer. My younger brother and I, we never really got anything special in kind of beers back then, and when we picked this up at a little convenience store and drank one of these together, it was really good because all we were used to was just some, you know, Pabst, Bud Light, just so this here was a big change up for us. So we was really enjoying this stuff, but but it's good. It's got a good flavor. Category 5 is the world's most powerful hurricane. Hurricane brings you an equally bold experience. Excuse me. Didn't say really anything on it. I think I tried looking up a little bit of info on it. I didn't really find a whole lot. So, but anyway, my younger brother was 35 when we lost him. Way too young, wife and 3 kids. He was a good guy. He would have loved this beer review thing. I think he would have participated in a lot of them. So anyway, didn't want to draw this review out, but just wanted to share that with you and make this a special video. It's a good flavored beer. It's good after work beer. Otherwise known, I call them river beers. A lot of these kinds, especially when they're just 3.2. But yep, it's a good river beer / lawnmower beer. Just a very, very light bitter. Not a whole lot going on in there, but I don't usually expect that much out of these kind. I think some of the guys have done some reviews on this beer. I'll have to check them out, see what they said about it. Alright, I'm going to drink on this for the rest of the night, and I thank you all for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.